Alright. So here we have carboy preparation. So in order for our algae to take the next big leap from stock flask to the next container, we gotta put this algae cleanly and sterilely into this carboy right here. So this is just salt water that's been very finely filtered and autoclaved to kill anything that might be in there. So the process really is pretty simple. So just like we did with our stock flasks, we clean our hands, but we're not going to do this under flame because we don't want to melt any of the plastic or anything. So wouldn't be good luck for myself, the algae, or anybody else around me. Although I'm here by myself, so there's nobody around me. So what I like to do is I'll spray the tippy top of the carboy top just to make sure if there's anything on there it might be dead. Hopefully it will dead. This is what we use as an airline. It's just a 1 milliliter pipette. So I'll spray the top with alcohol. Kind of see a little bit of a trend right here. Or rip that top open like that. We'll very quickly pop this little stopper off. Put the pipette through the stopper. Take the paper off, and without touching anything, we'll put the pipette and the stopper back into the carboy. So now, there's some nutrients in the salt water, but not enough to maintain the culture density or the cell density that we want. And cell density is just how grown up your algae culture is. The darker the culture is, the healthier and the more cells there are. So if it kind of looks like a Bud Light in this step, it's either a freshly inoculated culture or it's not really that viable. But if it looks like a Guinness, and it's just St. Patrick's Day, so I like Guinness, love Guinness, then you're doing really well. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray just this top right here, right over there with some alcohol. We'll pop the lid. Here's some of our little fortified algae food. We'll take this little stopper off. Pour some algae food in there, and this is a pre-measured amount, so I'm not just pouring willy-nilly. And then we'll take the stopper off of this algae culture right here, and we will pour the algae in. And then we'll close the top, like that. And then we'll attach an airline to it once it's back on the shelf, and within 4 days to a week, we'll have algae dark enough that we're going to be able to use it and place it into our larger systems.